Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum, dosto. Today is day 5 of Ramadan. Is it day 6? No, it's day 5, pretty sure. And I've been good. I've been very good. I've been, getting up in the morning, eating my breakfast. Although I was not hungry, I was not taking anything to me during the day, and then eating after the Magrib Prayer. So I did well. The irony, though. Yesterday, I had some great food, some great kebab, but they were bad, I think, or something was bad. I don't know what I did or what I ate. I'm the only one who's sick. I'm sick. I got sick. And I spend a lot of time with my friend, Mr. Toilet. That's a real good friend, because it takes a lot of, that's what a friend's for, right? Anyway, so I have, of course, I overslept because I spent, actually quite a lot of time of the night with, that particular friend. And I'm feeling not so bad now. I'm quite weak, actually, and I'm tired. And I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so I'm still haven't cheated my Ramadan yet. Yeah, today probably is a break. Usually, it happens very rarely. I eat all kinds of food, local food, street food. I'm well known for this, actually. Also because I love it and I don't get sick. But every once in a while, you get the runs, you get the cramps. Yeah, so for me, it was cramps, and then the liquefying of matters. Yeah, normally when that happens, and it happens maybe once a year, it really hardly ever happens, and I've been, traveling for years, and I've been to crazy countries, and, of course, you don't have Western hygiene all the time in all the countries, of course not. Could be bad oil, could be, defrosted meat, I don't know. It could be many things, it could even be tap water in some places. So I'll probably, I'm going to go back to sleep and probably will also drink water. I'm sick, and probably will eat something in the afternoon because I'm probably very, very, very weak. I don't know. Usually, I started to see also my mind doesn't work. It doesn't function properly, I'm sorry about that. So usually if I have this, I don't eat for like 24 hours, which would be cool, right? Although I'm already weakened, of course, I was looking forward to having breakfast that I'm not craving. But you know what I get, starting to change my diet and then getting sick and changing it again. That's the way it is. But anyway, so I hope. Today I will probably not be a good Ramadan doer, not a good faster, or maybe I'll be a very good faster and not eat anything all day. But then I'll be screwed tomorrow. I'm not sure. Yeah. So what to do? I just wanted to give this little shout out. And I'm staying in today, not going anywhere. I could show you my apartment a little bit, actually. Staying here. It's my son working on the sofa. Working. Yeah, see, we've got a lamp here. Well, air conditioner here. A little play corner. Yeah, this is, the hallway. We've got a mirror again. Hello. Yeah, whatever, so far. It's not so bad. See, we've got some art. Or actually, I don't even know. This is probably some Islamic art. It looks like writings. But of course, I don't know what it means. Well, I got a pretty okay TV. Here, this is where I work. Sorry about the mess. We all work on computers. And this is something that looks like London. On the table. Some flowers. Plastic flowers, of course. Here are the things that we put up for the kids, This is German, Zähneputzen, which means brush your teeth, and Hände waschen, wash your hands. And that's my daughter did this. It means we have to go out. I don't know what it means, really. Anyway, it's okay. We're renting this place for during the time of Ramadan. Yeah, which is pretty good. It's all right. Yeah, little kitchen, microwave, stove. It's got all kinds of condiments, and it's got a good fridge. you know, pancake syrup for the kids. Some, oh yeah, there's the water. I get this water I get from the well or whatever. It's not a well, a fountain, just around, not far. So, because that water is not very good to drink. Yeah, got a little balcony here, which is a bit of a mess, I must say. We don't spend much time out here. Back there, Islamabad. I think there's Rawalpindi. Well, it could be. You know, I'm still not familiar with the area. I still haven't seen much. Anyway, so let's go. We got 2 bedrooms. Let's go into one of them. All right, so that's one of the 2 bedrooms, and you can see it's got a mirror too. Hey guys, I know I'm laughing, but I'm not feeling so well. By the way, you know, I'm like, it's not as bad as last night. So I think I have the worst behind me, and I try to smile more than I like to cry. But believe me, last night I wanted to cry, but I didn't. Cry, baby. This is like a simple bedroom, two small beds put together. So you can call this the kids' room, although we don't really have these. We change, you know. Sometimes and often, you know, we've been traveling for almost 4 years as a family. So sometimes we you know, we stay in houses or apartments, sometimes in hotel rooms. So it's always different, you know. I mean, the best thing is to have a, you know, big apartment or big house and have a big old room with like lots of beds in it and we all sleep in it. But, you know, it changes and that's okay, you know. Here's just a regular little room here, which is not so bad. Got a big cupboard here. Or a fan. Yeah, you don't need an AC. Actually, not for you. We have one outside, but so far it's not cold in Islamabad. But I'm not sure if it gets really hot. And not hot in Islamabad. Anyway, so here's a ensuite bathroom with another mirror. Anyway, yeah, just a bathroom, you know. Shower, toilet, you know. By the way, if you're watching from the West, you know, this is how people in Asia clean themselves, you know. You get the drift, right? So it's actually a lot cleaner than you guys in the West do it. Anyway, yeah, and here, and they don't have hot water here at these buckets. I mean, it's not, you can take a cold shower, it's not that cold, but you have these thingies here, you know. So you fill the bucket up, you know, and then you just put this in, and it can even touch the plastic, and then, you know, put it in there for like 10 minutes, and then it's hot, or 15 minutes, and depends. So that's a good thing. Yeah, this is for shaving. Anyway, so there's also some paintings. They're very European looking paintings. I like that. But maybe they're not European at all. I know. It's just because if one painting is not particularly Pakistani, doesn't mean it has to be European, right? All right, let's go to the other room. All right, so this is the second bedroom. You know, one big king size bed. They got lots of mirrors in this apartment. Makes it look bigger. So there's another cupboard. You got some view here in the morning, or all day. Bed's so comfortable. Yeah. What should I say? Another painting, more Asian looking this time. Actually, this reminds me very much of Malaysia. This could be in Georgetown. We've spent more than a year in Malaysia before coming here, or not before going to Egypt and then come to Pakistan. Yeah, Egypt was a bit tough on us. It was not good for filming. You know, lots of places you couldn't film, and lots of people don't like to be filmed. You know, that's a very big difference here in Pakistan. You know, people seem to be generally okay with being filmed, actually really liking it. And yeah, I'm not gonna film any military stuff and I learned not in the train station or in the trains, but I would still film in the trains. But yeah, I get it. Government stuff, not. But other than that, Pakistan is a great place anyway. I mean, also for a vlogger, you can see also my subscribers are, the number of subscribers are going up, so that's a good sign, right? Anyway, so there's another bathroom, another shower, and another mirror. Anyway, Mr. Toilet. Yeah, I have cramps again now, actually. Oh, what the timing, eh? Anyway, yeah, maybe I'll excuse myself. Everybody else probably having breakfast now, but I'm not going to. And it's today, not because of Ramadan. Today's because I'm sick and I couldn't even eat anything, and I'd be afraid of what will happen. When I get cramps, I haven't eaten anything. I've had a sip of water before, and I think it's cramping because of that. It'll be okay. I'll hardly ever have this, and it'll be okay tomorrow. I'm sure I'll be fasting tomorrow or day after. I mean, I will finish. I'll go for the whole 9 yards. I will do Ramadan for 29 days. It is, right, but maybe not today and tomorrow. So it's a bit cheating, but it's cheating because you're sick, and I don't have to do it. But even for Muslim, when they're sick, they don't have to do it. So, but I do want to do it, and that's the difference. I want to. Feel what it's like. Of course, I am not a real Muslim, at least not yet. And I don't know, what they go through really, because they have to as well. But I want to at least, get close to the way you guys could feel. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It would be also okay for a week, but not today. Or maybe today too. Maybe tomorrow I'll make a video and tell you guys I didn't eat anything yesterday and they're still sick. I don't know. But I'll be okay tomorrow. Inshallah. Okay, guys. A few words on the, what is it, TLP? The party that's been banned. Banning of parties is always like a delicate thing, And they want the French people to get the hell out of here, and they want Pakistan, the government, to kick the ambassador out. Is that am I understanding correctly? I think, yeah, we're not French, so I think we're okay. It's okay that the Swiss people are here. It's not so far away from France. But yeah, anyways, I just wanted to mention that. I hope I don't have to be worried. Like, we have our passports with us, so, but I don't feel threatened at all. I feel everybody's so friendly, and I mean, I'm sure there's always bad people in every country, but I'm pretty sure. Oh, again, the crumbs. Pretty sure we'll be okay. I hope so, at least, because we are planning on staying for a while, making lots of videos. Anyway, guys, I have a little appointment with Mr. Toilet. I'd like to be stood up. Guys, bye guys. Fira Melenge.